No more plantar fasciitis pain with this shoe secret. Plantar fasciitis pain after the age of 44? VitalMD has the solution. Plantar fasciitis pain at the bottom of your feet? These shoes can help. Your shoes might be the main cause of your plantar fasciitis. Wear these instead. Your plantar fasciitis pain will never go away until you know this secret. The sharp pain at the bottom of your foot will never go away unless you know this. This is the only shoe recommended for people who suffer from aching feet and plantar fasciitis after a long workday. Here's why. The hidden cause of your foot pain 9 times out of 10 is due to wearing shoes without proper arch support, cushioning, and a narrow toe box. These design flaws force your feet into unnatural positions, causing discomfort and long-term damage. The ugly truth about big shoe brands is that they prioritize appearance over function. They compromise on quality and support, leaving you with footwear that not only fails to alleviate foot pain, but actually makes it worse. This is why so many people suffer from foot pain and plantar fasciitis. Thankfully, VitalMD has developed the OrthoComfort shoe. It's designed to support your feet through over 20,000 steps a day, eliminating discomfort and alleviating plantar fasciitis pain, all while looking so stylish. The secret to all-day comfort of the OrthoComfort shoe lies in 3 key elements: thick memory foam cushion, relieves pressure points where the pain originates, high arch support, adapts to your natural foot position, boosting blood flow, essential for nerve regeneration and pain relief. Wide toe box allows your toes and foot muscles to move freely, preventing cramped toes and issues like bunions. Wondering if these shoes will work for you? VitalMD offers a 100-day test wear guarantee. You've got a full 100 days to experience the comfort. If they're not the most comfortable shoes you've ever worn, or if you order the wrong size, you can easily return them. Join over 3,000 women who wear OrthoComfort shoes daily and swear by their comfort. But act fast. These shoes have sold out twice in 2024, and with a 40% off sale for first-time customers, they won't last long. Click the link below to secure your pair of OrthoComfort shoes before they sell out again. Your feet will thank you.